Hello and good day to you. Today is the day that I announced the winner of my 3-year anniversary giveaway of 3 pallets. And thanks everybody for entering. I really appreciate you guys so much. I couldn't do the channel without you all. And the winner is Carla Sola. She's the winner. So Carla, you have 48 hours to get in touch with me on Instagram at Rhonda Said, all one word, or I'll leave my email down below, and that's it. Get in touch with me within 48 hours and you will get your prize shipped out to you, because you have to email me your address. So thanks everybody for entering. Keep coming back and we'll see you real soon.